Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoorul Haq. I am final year students of BS Computer Science at Namal Institute, Miyawali. And these are our RT projects are done in a group. My group mate is Mahmood Yusuf. Now I invite him to introduce himself.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mahmood Yusuf and I'm also BS Computer Science final year student, and we done a 6 project in a group. So let's start our day. This is our first project, smart home, through which we are controlling our LED lights of our home and a door lock by using Node MCU, which controlling the home LED lights and door. So let's start our demo. So by using mobile application, and we can on and off our LED lights of our home from anywhere. So in demo part, let me show you how on and off our lights from anywhere, like when we press a on button, and then room lights will be on, and when press off button, that will be off. And for a door lock, so we use servo motor here. So when we click on button, then servo motor will be activated from internet, because this mobile application is connected to a Node MCO ESP8266, which controlling the LED light and the servo motor. Let me show the demo of servo motor. When I click, then the door will be open. When I off, then the door will be closed. So this all magic done by Node MCO ESP8266, which controls the home LED lights and door locks. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today demo tutorial topic is RFID based attendance system. The hardware is used for is RFID RC52522 and Node MCU ESP8266. So this is our hardware used for RFID attendance based system, and we deployed this software on a website, and which are deployed on localhost with MySQL server, which has 4 tables: admin, devices, users, and user log. So we have currently 2 users now. First one is Manzoorul Haq, the second one is Mahmood Yusuf. So let's try our first attendance, and here is now user log is empty. Let's start our attendance process. This is card 1. Let's scan it on RFID reader. Here is one. This card is linked with Manzoorul Haq with time in 8:03. So let's scan in again. With 8:03 timeout. So let's scan the keychain for a second card. Here is one. This keychain is linked with Mahmood Yusuf. Which time in with 8:03:40. So for a time it, let's scan again on RFID reader. Here is one. So let me show the MySQL database which is running behind on it. So this is our user logs, and in user log 2 entries are recorded. First one is Manzoorul Haq, second one is Mahmood Yusuf, and with time in and time out for attendance process. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our project number 3, collision detection and avoidance using RoboCar. So let's start our demo. Car is turned on. This is our project for RFID based door lock. When a user scan his card on RFID, then the door will be open or close. So let's start our demo. This is our keychain which is not authorized. Let's scan on RFID based reader. So servo motor which is not responding. So let me show the authorized card. When it will scan on RFID based reader, then the servo motor will be on. This is our project number 5 with title Robocar with fire detection and respond towards the event. And the hardware the hardware components are 3 flame sensors and Arduino. One is edge bridge with 2 motors, 2 DC motors, and 1 buzzer. So let's start our demo with fire. Robocar changing its position according to the fire. This is our project number 6, smart gesture control using Bluetooth module HC05. This is a Robocar which is controlled by using mobile phone gestures. So let's start our demo here. This is our project number 7, laser security system. The hardware components are a laser module, and this is our laser receiver, and this is our Arduino Uno for use as a microcontroller, and this is our alarm buzzer 5 volt. So when when object crossed between the restricted area, so the buzzer will be on as a alarm. Let's start our demo part. So this is our laser, and on the other side there is a receiver. When something is passed between them, so that buzzer will be on. So let's start our demo part.